Why do parents walk in at the
Worst possible time.
Bro, I could be sitting in my room watching the most harmless show on earth, like some kid's cartoon where the characters are literally playing with toys. But the second my parents open the door,
Two random characters start making out.
of course my parents don't see the 20 wholesome minutes leading up to it. Nah, they only see that exact 5 seconds and give me the
Dirtiest look.
like I'm out here watching straight up nonsense. And it's not just shows. I'll be gaming for hours, minding my business, chilling and waiting for enemies to show up. Then the second they walk in, it turns into the most intense freaking game you've ever seen. Explosions everywhere. I've got 50 enemies attacking me in the background. My screen is covered in fire. And my mom's standing there calling me for dinner.
While the whole world turns to chaos.
It's like parents have some weird sixth sense that tells them the worst possible time to enter the room. They don't walk in when I'm studying. They don't walk in when I'm just chilling. No, they walk in the exact moment that makes me look like a menace to society.